Good morning. This is Manoj Kumar Jain and welcome you all in IndiaNivesh Commodity Research Update. We have seen a strong run up in both the precious metal prices in yesterday's session as gold prices gained more than 2% in domestic market and silver prices also gained around 1.5%. Due to the sell off in global equity market, we have seen support in both the precious metal prices again and safe haven buying is emerged in both the precious metals as US Dow Jones equity index down around 1000 point in yesterday's session after California declared a state of emergency due to the coronavirus outbreak and safe haven buying is seen in both the precious metals again. Gold prices crossed $1,670 per ounce in intraday trading session yesterday in international markets. Silver prices also touched $17.40 per ounce in yesterday's session. Even in domestic market, we have seen record lifetime highs in gold prices as gold crossed 44,500 odd levels at MCX. Silver prices also crossed 47,200 marks again at MCX in intraday session yesterday. Gold prices gained around 13% year to date in domestic market in 2020 and still we are feeling the prices remain strong due to the volatility and pressure in global financial markets. If gold prices sustain above $1,670 per ounce in international markets could extend the rally towards 1688 to $1,700 marks again. $1,655 per ounce act as a major support for gold in international markets. While silver prices sustain above $17.40 per ounce could extend the rally towards 17.55 to $17.70 per ounce again. $17.10 per ounce act as a major support for silver in international markets. Even in domestic market, if gold prices sustain above 44,440 odd levels, could extend the rally towards 44,700 to 45,000 marks again. 44,100 act as a immediate support for gold prices in domestic markets. Silver prices sustain above 47,200 odd levels could extend the rally towards 47,700 to 48,100 mark again. 46,850 act as a major support for silver in domestic market. We expect the positive momentum remain continue in both the precious metals and any decline in the prices would be again opportunity to go long as rupee is also weakening against the global major global currencies and this could additionally support both the precious metal prices in domestic markets. Every dip would be a buying opportunity and we suggest to avoid short sell in both the precious metals till the global financial markets are in under stress due to the coronavirus outbreak. On the other side, we have seen pressure in the crude oil prices in yesterday's session as OPEC ally Saudi Arabia proposed 1.5 million barrel production cut for Q2 and major ally Russia is not yet signed the proposal and not agreed on the deeper oil cut. Crude oil prices slipped around 2% in yesterday's session and prices unable to sustain above $47 per barrel mark in international market and we have seen prices slips again below $46 per barrel in yesterday's session. Even Brent prices test $50 per barrel mark in yesterday's session in international markets. Even in domestic market, prices unable to sustain above 3,500 odd levels in yesterday's session, and again we have seen prices test the 3,412 odd levels in intraday session. 3,455 is a major level for today's to watch out for, and if prices sustain below this level, could test the support level of 3360, 3320 again in domestic markets. Prices only sustain above 3,455 odd levels could extend the rally towards 3,500 to 3,550 mark again in domestic markets. We expect both sides move in crude oil prices due to the OPEC meeting outcome today, and we suggest to put strict stop loss in either side position in crude oil. In base metal prices, we have seen some gains in yesterday's session as prices of copper, nickel, and other base metals gains in domestic markets. Due to the hope of stimulus announcement from China to stabilize the Chinese economy, which is struggling from the coronavirus outbreak, and prices also get support due to the decline in LME inventory levels in almost all the base metals in last 3-4 sessions. Copper prices test the resistance level of 413 yesterday session in domestic market, and nickel prices also after breaching a resistance level of 944 test the 960 mark in yesterday session. Due to the volatility in global equity markets, we expect the volatility remain continue in domestic base metals prices. Copper at 433 act as a major resistance for copper prices in domestic market, while 427 act as a major support, and we expect the prices could move in the range of 427 to 433 in domestic markets. Nickel prices only sustain above 966 could extend the rally, else prices could test the support level of 944 again in domestic markets. In agriculture commodities, we have seen a smart gain in yesterday's session, and market continue the upward momentum third day in a row, and cotton seed oil cake prices hit 4% upper circuit, and this is third back to back upper circuit in cotton seed oil cake prices in domestic markets. Prices gained due to the unseasonal rainfall in producing state, and arrival is expected to be reduced due to the rainfall, and this supports the prices of cotton seed oil cake in domestic markets. If the prices gain around 3 to 4% again in today's session, then we suggest to keep on booking profit at higher levels, as correction is expected once the arrival is started again in the mandis. Edible oil and oilseeds prices also extend the gain in yesterday's session due to the unseasonal rainfall. We have seen gains in the soybean seed and RM seed prices in yesterday's session, as soybean prices gained around 1.5% and RM seed gained around 2% in domestic markets. Now, soybean is having a resistance around 3855 in domestic market, while 3750 act as a major support. If prices sustain above 3855, could extend the rally towards 3900 level again. For RM seed, 4150, 4200 act as a major resistance in domestic market, while 4000 act as a major support for RM seed prices in domestic markets. Refined oil prices are expected to be traded in the range of 788 on the lower side and 812 on the higher side in domestic markets. We've also seen the gains in entire spices complex in yesterday's session, especially coriander and jeera prices gain due to the unseasonal rainfall in producing states, and there may be a damage in standing crop of coriander and jeera. If the coriander prices sustain above 6250, could extend the rally towards 6400 levels again. 6060 as a major support for coriander in domestic markets. Jeera prices also gained in yesterday's session, and if the prices sustain above 40,000, 14,000 odd levels, could extend the rally towards 14,300 in domestic market. 13,650 act as a major support for Jeera in today's session. For more updates on commodity research, keep watching IndiaNivesh Research Update. Thank you.